Hey, what's up, everyone? It's another trip.
Hello.
Another episode. And we are loaded up. Where are we going, boys?
Thomas Mountain, I think. Yeah, Thomas Mountain. We finished our Hot Pockets and I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry? All right, we're going to get some, we're going to stop by In-N-Out, maybe. But yeah, we're just gassing up right now, and we're going to head out and do a little camping. Just got on the trail, making our way up the mountain, and sun's still out, so hopefully we'll get there while there's still a bit of light out. How's everybody doing back there, bud?
Lucas is asleep.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
You hungry still?
I ate.
All right, cool.
Ooh, there's
Look at the view.
Oh.
All right, we're here at camp. It's nighttime. We're about to go to bed.
We are?
Boys are already up in there. 3 of us are sleeping up here. Pulled out the bed halfway. That's what it's looking like. I got all my tools. We're gonna do a camp install tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.
First one awake. Made my coffee. It's gonna be a nice day. Might be a little hot, but it's all good. I've got a lot of work to do. We're gonna work on Erwin's truck. We're gonna do the wiring for his battery system, and his rig is coming along pretty good. We're almost done. We've already went out a few times, did some camp installs. I think this is like number 5 already on his camp install, but it's a work in progress, and I'd rather do it here at camp than in a driveway. So here we are. What you doing there, Erwin?
Just making some coffee.
A little fancy with that, huh?
It's time to wake up. Yeah, a little bit. Just trying to be comfortable at camp.
All right, so what did we do here today, Erwin?
Got the battery installed. Renogy. Check it out. It's pretty awesome. Look at the wiring.
Just a little cleanup to do.
Yeah, got to put the panels back in and got to do some more installations. A couple of small things, but for the most part it's pretty sick. Inverter works. Just got to get the right fuses so that we don't blow shit up.
Yep.
But now
It's time to clean up.
I got power. Gonna run the coffee maker, rice cooker.
A lot of bugs.
A lot of bugs. But we'll see you guys in 3 weeks, alright? Pacific Northwest.
All right, Erwin.
All right,
I'll
brother.
see you.
Later, Al.
Laters.
Thanks again, dude.
What happened?
For some reason I heard a sound that sounded like someone dribbling a basketball.
Someone's dribbling a basketball.
Well, I heard that. I heard basketball that sounded like someone's dribbling it.
Were you dreaming?
I'm gonna
Were
lay
you
down.
dreaming of basketball?
I'm gonna lay down a little more.
All right. Look, look. Look over there.
So we're above the clouds?
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh? All right, good morning. Coffee's so good at camp. But anyways, this is our camp spot. We're still in the same one, but I moved to the entrance of the Yellow Post camp spot because a lot of people were trying to come in because they thought this spot was open. And I was like, hell no. I don't want to be a punk, but you know, I come out here to camp and get away and not to share a camp spot with someone I don't know. I'd rather just keep the spot to myself. Camp. Good morning, bud.
Morning. Good morning.
Oh, Maxwell's awake too. Good morning.
I've been awake.
You've been awake, all right.
I've been awake since early morning.
Did you check out these clouds? So we're here above the clouds. Looks like we're on some type of island. But anyways, Sunday morning, Erwin left last night. He had to get home, spending time with the boys. We're gonna leave probably mid-morning, get home because we miss Mama. So probably cook breakfast and get ready to get out of here. What do you guys feel like doing today?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Maybe I should fly the drone, huh?
Yeah.
You want to go outside? All right. That's a good few minutes, I think. Let's do it.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. I guess I'm good. Good to go. Let's go.
Take off. Please check it on the map.
We did a camp install this past, yesterday? So look at all this space. I got a bunch of my tools and still got room to stand in here. And my boys up in the bed sleeping. We're still in a 3-person mode right now where I pull the bed halfway out and we all fit up there with plenty of room. Bacon, eggs, and rice. How's it, buds?
Good. Good.
Good? Alright, let's eat. Alright, so we're getting ready to pack up and get out of here. And this is how I set up the bed so I can fold it down. I put the two mattress cushions on the sides, my sleeping bag, and 2 pillows in the middle. And then when this comes down, that bar will be right in between the pillows. Just getting the tools down on the floor. Since they're heavy, I want them as low as I can. So good thing this is only for when I do camp installs, because it sucks bringing all this stuff. Oops. These should be further out. Right there. All right. Let's go. Had to walk back up here. Make sure we left camp as clean as possible for the next group to enjoy. All right, guys, we just left camp. What a great trip, right, boys?
Yep.
You have a good time?
Yes.
Nice, relaxing time?
Yeah. It was nice and quiet.
Nice and quiet, even with all the noise we were making from doing the install?
Yeah. Yeah. It was really nice.
Oh, okay.
My favorite part was kind of going on that hike.
Your 5-minute hike?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna make our way down the mountain, and that might be it for this episode. So thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one. See you guys. Peace.
Peace. Wow,